Hey guys, how's it going? How to secure your Bluehost login. So make sure that you log in with your account, right? And basically, if you want to secure your account, first you can start by creating a complex password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and you can enable the two-factor authentication, right? After you log in, you're gonna be able to enable the authentication, and you can use Google. You can go back right here and use the Google Authenticator here to basically as a reference to an extra layer of security and secure your email address, right? And ensure your email associated with your Bluehost account uses a strong password and also has 2FA enabled, and make sure that you regularly update passwords. Change your password regularly and avoid reusing it across different accounts, right? And monitor the account activity. After you log in with your account, basically make sure that you regularly check your account for any unusual activity and notify Bluehost support if you notice anything suspicious, and be cautious with the devices. Log out of Bluehost account on public or shared devices if you're using Bluehost in different devices. Make sure that you basically change or log out from this specific region or specific area so you avoid being hacked. All right, following these steps will allow you to basically add a layer of security to your account. So that's another comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.